Children, welcome back to your English class. Today we'll be doing an interesting lesson from your English literature book. Okay, open your English literature books. Lesson number 2, The Bird. This is a wonderful story, children. We are going to learn about empathy and value of freedom in this lesson. Now, what do you mean by the word empathy? Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. So, in this, let's learn about empathy and the value of freedom. Sheroza got many presents on his birthday. There were tops, toy horses, and pictures. So, can you see in this picture? This is the boy, Sheroza. Okay, Sheroza got many gifts on his birthday. What were there? There were toys, toy horses, tops, and pictures. Okay, so can you see the toy horse? But the best present came from his uncle Annette for catching the birds. So he received a number of gifts. Among all the presents or gifts, which gift did he love? He liked the net for catching the birds. Sheroza was very happy with this present and he ran to show it to his mother. Okay, then what did his mother say? She said, "No, this is a bad toy. Why do you want to catch the birds and why do you want to trouble them?" Then Sheroza said, "I'll put them in a cage. They will sing and I'll feed them." So Sheroza then found some seeds, poured them into the little board and put the net into the garden. So he took some seeds, he put some water there and he put this net into the garden. He waited for a long time but no bird came. Then Sheroza went to take his lunch. Afterwards, what did he do? What did he find there? He found the net closed. Then there was a little bird inside. Full of glee, Sheroza caught the bird and brought it to home. What do you mean by the word glee? Glee means happiness. Okay. See. Then he caught this bird. "Mama, look, I've caught a bird, probably a nightingale. How its heart beats." "That's Siskin," she said. So what is this bird? This bird is Siskin. Okay. See. This is the bird called Siskin. "See that you don't torment it. Perhaps you should let it go." What do you mean by the word Siskin, children? Siskin is a bird that is found in Europe and Asia. Okay. Now what do you mean by the word torment? Torment is to make somebody suffer very much. So Sheroza's mother is saying, why do you want to suffer the bird? Why do you want to see that the bird suffers it? "No, Mama, I'll feed it and see that it has enough water too." Then Sheroza put the Siskin into the cage. See, over here, can you see? The bird was put up into the cage. He kept adding seeds and water and he cleaned the cage every day. See, can you see the cage, children? This is the cage. So he brought the bird and put the bird into the cage. This is the picture of a cage. Okay. Cage, what do you call the cage in Hindi? Pinjra. See, he brought some seeds. See, these are seeds. Can you see, children? So he brought these seeds and he kept adding the seeds and water into the cage. See, these are seeds. All types of seeds are here. So he brought all these seeds and put them into the cage and he kept even a bowl of water also in the cage and was cleaning the cage every day or 2 days. But on the third day he forgot the little bird and forgot to change the water. "There you are," said mother. "You have forgotten your little bird." "Now I won't forget it, Mama. I'm going to change the water straight away." And he went to clean the cage. Then what did Sheroza do? Sheroza put his hand in the cage and began to clean, while the frightened Siskin thrashed against the bars. As soon as he put his hand into the cage, what happened? Siskin got afraid and it thrashed against the bars. Okay. When he finished cleaning the cage, Sheroza went off for some water. Mother noticed that he forgot to close the cage and called him, Sheroza, Sheroza, you have forgotten to close the cage, and called him. Then she had barely spoken, the siskin found the tiny door open and it jumped happily through it, spread its wings and darted through the room to the window. And it did not see the glass. See, this is the window. This is the window sill. Can you see the glass, children? The glass is not seen, okay, and what is outside the tree is clearly seen. So the bird saw that there is a tree and it went and dashed the glass. Okay, suddenly it ran and it got darted. It did not see the glass and it struck it hard and fell on the window sill. This is the picture of a window. This is called as window sill. Okay. Now let's see what happened afterwards. After falling over there, what happened next? See, this is the picture of a window sill. Can you see? See, the bird got struck up. Okay, struck it hard and fell on the window sill. Sheroza came running, picked it up and put it back into the cage. The siskin was still alive but lying on its breast. See, can you see it got trashed? And see the bird over here. It got dashed and it fell down. See. Sheroza looked at it and burst into tears. Tears means what? He started crying. There was tears. Matlab aansu. He started crying. Mama, what shall I do? Let us nurse it, said mother, bringing in bandages and balms. Sheroza stayed by the cage all the day, watching the siskin still lying on its breast and breathing fast. Sheroza's mother had bandaged the tiny feet and put the balm on the wings. Okay, see, can you see? It darted through and fell down like this, sleeping on its breast, lying on its breast. Sheroza could hardly sleep. When he ran to the cage in the morning, he saw the siskin was able to stand with some difficulty. And after a week of regular care, the bird was better now. So how was the bird now? Now the bird was better. See, can you see the bird? Sheroza took the cage into the garden and opened the door. The siskin hopped for some time and then flew to a lower branch. See the bird flying. Okay. See, it skipped, it hopped and it went and sat on a low branch. See how beautiful the bird is. Sheroza watched happily as it chirped and hopped to a higher branch till he could not see it anymore. Then the siskin started hopping and it went and sat on a branch, on a lower branch. It flew to a lower branch. See, can you see the bird? It went and sat on a branch. Watched happily as it chirped and hopped to a higher branch till it could not see it anymore. See, the siskin chirped and hopped to a higher branch. And after this, Sheroza never caught the birds again. So this is the story of the lesson, The Bird. So what did we learn about it? We learned how to understand and share the feelings of others. So we are learning about empathy and value of freedom.